If you use volume profile, you might be looking at the wrong data for your specific time frame. Here is the difference between the visible range and the session volume profile and how to use both. First, go to the top toolbar and click on Indicators. All you have to do is search for volume profile. You will see a visible range volume profile and then the session volume profile. You can choose between the HD or the normal one. If you select visible range volume profile, TradingView calculates all the volume currently visible on your screen and aggregates it into one giant histogram on the right y-axis. But if you go back and select session volume profile, TradingView completely changes the math. It chops the data up and draws an isolated independent volume histogram for every single trading day. You can see the difference on my chart. Now, here's why this difference matters. Visible range is a macro tool. As you scroll or zoom, the math dynamically recalculates. If you're a swing trader, it shows you the overarching long-term price levels where the most historical volume was traded, revealing massive structural support and resistance zones. Session volume, however, is mainly for day traders. It mechanically resets at the opening bell every single day. This matters because it shows you exactly where the intraday point of control is right now, allowing you to see if big money is currently accumulating at the daily lows or distributing at the daily highs during the live session. These both have very nuanced uses, and make sure you know them before you use them. Have a great day, guys.